Guten Tag, ich heiße Ian. Willkommen an Dinitz. Heute kochen wir ein leckeres Schweineschnitzel. So, auf geht's! This is the Hello Fresh card. We will be using it to make the schnitzel. The ingredients are shown on the left side of the card, and the instructions take up the rest of the page. This is the bag that comes in the box that shows up at your door. It contains the ingredients for the meal you're cooking. Let's unpack it. As usual, we start by washing the produce to make sure it is clean for our meal. Now we peel the carrots. Make sure all of the skin is off, but don't worry about the ends. They get cut off later. Cut the carrots diagonally and cut off the ends. Move the sliced carrots aside. Now we cut our potatoes into wedges. First, cut the potato in half and then into wedge-like thirds. Grate the lemon until most of the yellow is off, but don't go so deep that you grate the white part. It's bitter. Cut the lemon into fourths and set those aside. Jetzt machen wir die Soße. Alright, so this time we'll be using mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and honey. So, start off with the mayonnaise. Oh, alright, that happened again. Just squeeze all the mayonnaise out. Now we move on to the Dijon mustard. I don't really know what this is going to look like because I've never eaten this. So, yeah, that's Dijon mustard. Alright. Mix. Ooh. Alright. That's pretty good, and that wasn't too hard. Good. Now we oil our potatoes and carrots with an invention my dad and I came up with. For this part, I used a small strainer and tapped it to spread the spices evenly over the potatoes and carrots. Then I seasoned them with salt and pepper and put them into the oven for 20 minutes. Now put your sour cream in a bowl with the pork and mix it until the pork is completely coated. I'm now putting the coated pork cutlets into a bag of panko breadcrumbs and garlic. Then I roll and shake the bag thoroughly to coat them. Now take your cutlets and put them in a pan with a 1/4 inch of hot vegetable oil and cook them until nice and brown and crisp, 4 to 6 minutes. Then turn them over and cook the other side. I did these in 2 batches because I always cook 4 servings. Place the finished cutlets on paper towels to drain before plating. Take the carrots and potatoes out of the oven after the 20 minutes are up, or longer if they need more time, and plate your dinner. Those look good. Let's admire these guys for a minute. Alright, so the pork schnitzel by Hello Fresh was just super good. It came out, if you cook everything properly, it comes out super crisp and delicious. It's just amazing. The potatoes, you have to cook them for a little bit, but they're really good. The carrots were super good. The honey mustard was really good. It was all just all around super good. Everyone in my family loved it. Alright, so our scores did very well this time. For taste, we had a 5. Everybody gave it a 5. It was super good. The ease of prep was a 5, but it takes a little bit more time than it says on the card. On the card, it says it takes 35 minutes. But if you're doing this for the first time and you're by yourself, it takes about 45 minutes. So for the instructions, everything was clear. It was given a 5. And the portion sizes were perfect. It didn't leave me hungry. So it is also a 5. And the total score was 5 out of 5. Ausgezeichnet.
No, kein ausgezeichnet.
Ausgezeichnet.
Nein.
Ausgezeichnet.
Okay, we're gonna do that differently, okay?